the students have enjoyed 2 snow days.
They have.
And made lots of memories.
Yeah. You know, I'm glad you're here tonight.
Well, thank you. I'm glad to be here as well.
Well, you know, and it's
Love
just such a nice change to
So
have
refreshing.
to have a
But we
woman.
miss Chris, right?
Well, I miss Chris. I mean, believe me, I miss Chris because it's nice to have a woman here that I enjoy anchoring with. But
How do you put up with
listen to
this?
this. So
How do
listen
you
to this.
put up with
So
this?
I say that because I love to tease her. But earlier tonight, she asked me, Pete, what are you doing for your weekend?
Yeah.
I intentionally didn't ask her what she was doing for her weekend because I know she asked me only so she could tell me about her weekend.
I really didn't.
You did because I know what tomorrow is, young lady.
I do too.
Tomorrow is your birthday. Happy birthday in advance.
Birthday,
Thank
Cynthia.
you
See,
very
you thought
much.
I forgot.
And it's a big one. The big 4-0 tomorrow.
Oh, bull.
Over the hill tomorrow.
Well, hey, happy 40th birthday. I mean, if you forgot how to count, let me remind you. Hey, I've got some pictures I want to show you
Cynthia.
tonight.
I really like your math.
You know, I remembered that earlier. I knew it was this time of January. I thought, tomorrow's Cynthia's
Where's my
birthday.
cake, Delkus?
Oh, your cake. Oh, I forgot it. Same place mine is. You always forget mine. Okay, Riley and Bryn Markham. My buddy Cody. You guys know Cody Markham. These are Cody's girls. Cody's our chief photographer here. Look at these beautiful girls and their snow girl that they built in Arlington. My thanks to Cody for sending me those pictures of Riley and Bryn. And look at Danny and Bailey Richter. I love this snowman. Can you see what's on the snowman right there?
Antlers?
Oh yeah, it's got antlers on it.
There you go.
Only in Texas. I love that. So Danny, thanks for sending me a picture of you and Bailey. Hey, we have a freezing fog advisory that's in effect until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Let me kind of walk you through here quickly what this freezing fog advisory is. So obviously we've had all the moisture around. We picked up 1.5 inches, 1.51 inches of liquid precip in the last 24 hours. A lot of that did fall in the form of some freezing rain, just some rain, and also some sleet and some snow. But we had the melting today. So that's what's going to lead us into this freezing fog as we head over the next, about the next 12, the 18 hours or so. So the melting that's occurred today, that melted ice has really saturated the ground. When you have that saturated ground and you have the light winds that we're going to have overnight tonight, and look, you get into a temperature tomorrow morning, this is our low, 23 degrees. That's the air temperature tomorrow morning is 23. When the dew point temperature and the dew point and the air temperature are exactly the same, the atmosphere is completely saturated. So these are the ingredients that keep the air temperature and the dew point temperature close, and when that happens, the saturated air mass, fog forms. And when the fog forms and the temperature's at 23 degrees, you're going to have these water droplets that are going to freeze on contact with the surface. And when that takes place, we're going to have some slick, we're going to have some icy roads, especially on the elevated surfaces later tonight and into the day tomorrow. Where will that take place? There's my black ice forecast overnight through Saturday morning, not only with the refreeze, but with the freezing fog as well. Right now, skies have cleared, and as they stay clear tonight, once the freezing fog develops, I do have cold, cold temperatures. So cold with icy roads overnight and throughout the morning tomorrow. We finally rise to 33 degrees. 23 is the low tonight. We finally rise to 33 degrees by about 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. 44, that's our high tomorrow. After the morning fog goes away, we'll have lots of sunshine. Here's the next 14 days. 50s in our forecast as we head through next week until we get to Friday. I've got highs in the 60s, middle 60s on Friday. And then as you look at the final 7 of the 14 days, I have a huge cool down in my forecast. MLK Day is Monday, January 20. There's a huge cool down. Look at that cold weather. Highs in the 30s. And that Sunday, January 19th, Joe T., we could have a little bit of snow in the forecast. We'll keep you up to date. That's 9 days away. But tonight, Joe, I was so happy last night when Notre Dame won, but man, I'm really bummed out tonight for UT.
Pete, it was so close. You know, Texas was right there literally at the doorstep, and if they force overtime, who knows how this game would have played out.